Okay, guys, I'm here with my daughter Amani. We're gonna show you a fast and easy way to do slime. What she has there is the glow in the dark one, as you can see.
It's blue.
We pour the whole container inside the bowl. Now, we're gonna put warm water in it.
We did that a long time ago.
Yes, we did. She's gonna pour it in there. She's gonna pour everything out. Now, over here on the side, I have Borax. We have this Borax right here. Easy, never gave me problems. I put about 1 tablespoon of Borax with 1 cup of water. I add the water into the bowl. And what I do to dissolve the Borax fast, I put in the microwave for 30 seconds. For 30 seconds. While that's there, my daughter's over here with the glow-in-the-dark glue, Elmer's.
I already put water in there.
To put everything in there. Yes, everything is in there.
The water?
The water. So now, once this is done over here, huh?
We found this at Target.
We found this one at Target. That's where we got it.
We got 2 from Target.
We got 2. We can show them next time how to do that one.
Yeah. We can show
Right?
you next time how we can do it.
Yeah, right? Okay. We turn the water off. We take the bowl out.
So what's that? The water?
Yeah. Don't be careful because it's still a little warm. Now we shake it up a little to dissolve it.
Yep. Okay, we did this a long time ago.
Yeah, this is very easy. It's very easy.
If you don't know how to make slime, you could watch us.
You can watch us. And it's the easiest way and the fastest way.
Or we could post it on YouTube and you could watch.
And we put this in little by little.
So this is
Let me
more
see.
water. Can I mix it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, mixing it now. As you see, it's kind
You
of
see?
looking like slime already.
Yes, it
But
is.
it's not slime.
Go ahead, keep mixing it on, and I'm gonna keep pouring. You gotta get underneath it. Underneath it. Let me see. Look over here. It's over here. Over here. You gotta get everything up. You gotta get everything.
I don't think I remember how to make slime.
Hold the bowl for me so we can stir this faster. Yes, yes. Look at how it's all got together. And that's how fast it is. That's how simple it is. If you follow these simple steps, you will have a good looking slime.
Oh, I feel like slime, guys.
Go ahead. Is the water hot? No? Okay.
Guys, I feel
Mix it up with your hands. Show them. Show them how you mix it up.
Oh, this guy does feel like slime.
Look it. Now you got slime. You got gack.
If you do it, it's going to stick on your hand.
Yeah, at first it gets a little sticky, but put it back. We can pour some more Borax in it.
That's not
You know?
borax, that's water.
The water and Borax is mixed. Show them what you have created.
Easy stuff.
Now, we all with the extra water, we just dump it out. You just dump it out, and then you do that. Now you can put it back in the bowl.
But we need borax.
No, that's it. I think it's done. You got to keep playing with it till it dries out. Yeah, you see? How does it feel?
Oh, it's
Do you think it'll glow in the dark right now?
Yeah, I
Let's
kinda
see,
like
let's see, let's see.
that. The lights are on.
Let's see
still.
how this is. Wait. Give me a second. It's still daytime, guys. Just give me a second.
It's not glowing.
It's glowing a little, look. It's like a greenish. Okay, guys. So you saw how we did it. Hope this tutorial worked out for you guys. Okay?